Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another new video from Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Mozilla Firefox web browser on your MacBook in this year 2026. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get more tutorials just like this one. First of all, open the default browser on your MacBook, which is Safari. So, go to your apps and search for Safari. Click on the first option that appears. Then, an interface just like this will pop up on your screen. Now, in this search bar, you need to type Firefox Download Mac. Once you search for it, you will see this interface. From here, simply choose the Download Firefox for Mac option. You will see a button that says Download Now. Go ahead and click it. If it asks you to allow, just click the Allow button. You will see the file start downloading in the Show Download section at the top right corner. As you can see, the download is in progress. Once it's finished, I will show you how to install this file on your MacBook and how to start using the browser. Alright, the file is now downloaded. Now double click on it and a pop-up window will appear before you. Just click and drag the Firefox icon into the Applications folder. This will immediately install the browser on your MacBook. Let me show you. Go directly to your apps and search for Firefox. See? It is already installed. Now, click on it once to open. This window will appear. Just click the Open button. And right away, you will see that the Mozilla Firefox web browser is open and ready to use. If you want to set it as your default browser, choose Set as Default Browser. If not, click Not Now. I'll skip it for now. So that's it. Let me just do a quick search to show you. This is Mozilla Firefox. I hope this video was helpful for you. Take care and stay healthy.